Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss some questions, yes, which were asked in your first terminal examination. So discuss. Discuss on this question. Let's discuss. Okay, dear class 8 students. First of all, I would like to welcome you on today's online class. And today is my first class after the first terminal examination and after the Dasai vacation. Okay, and again after some few days, yes, there will be vacation for the our greatest festival, that is Tihar and Chhath. So dear friends, most of the students, I would like to request you, the students of class 8, yes, first of all you have to improve your solution, because your performance, yes, is not this much perfect in the answer sheet. Okay, you have to beautify your solution, yes, you have to give the very perfect solution, then only you will get the satisfactory marks, yes, in the examination. So in the result, okay, dear students, let's discuss on this question. Okay, this first question: if a rectangle has its length 8 cm and breadth 6 cm, then what will be the length of a diagonal of the rectangle? So have a look here. Here I am going to solve this, the first question. Okay, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, question number 1. Let's see here. Question number 1: if a rectangle has its length 8 cm and breadth 6 cm, then what will be the length of a diagonal of rectangle? If you will draw the figure here, then it will be more perfect. Yes, it is the rectangle. Length is given 8 cm and breadth is given, yes, 6 cm, and it is the diagonal D. It is the length L, it is the breadth, and each interior angle of rectangle, yes, is 90 degree. Okay, so we have to apply this property. Have a look here. Here in a rectangle, okay, in a rectangle, its length L is given 8 cm, its breadth B is given 6 cm. Therefore we have to find its diagonal, that is D, equals to square root of, that is L square plus B square. Because we know that H equals to square root of D, diagonal is the hypotenuse, that is L square plus B square. Okay, look nicely. So let's put the value of L, that is 8 cm whole square, value of B, that is 6 cm whole square. It is 64 plus 36, that is 100 centimeter square, that is 10 centimeter. So dear students, you can find in this way, yes, the diagonal of the rectangle. Okay, next question number 2. Look here, question number 2. There are 40 students in a class. Total students in a class, yes, is given here. Total students in a class, yes, total students in a class is given in a class, that is 40, and 4 of them are absent students. Number of absent students, number of absent students that is 4. So find the percentage of the present students. Therefore we can find the number of present students, students, OT minus 4, that is 36. Therefore we can find the percentage of, therefore the required percentage of present students, that is 36 by 40 into 100%. Yes, we can find here 0 0 cancel, 9 4s are 36, so 90%, yes, is the present students of the class. Yes, 90%, yes, that is the percentage of the present students in a class. Okay. In this way you can solve. Let's come to the question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, question number 3. Most of the students have done very wrong method. Most of the students solve, first of all, the given problem, yes, by using the method of law of indices, yes, directly, and then at last they have put. So we can put directly the values at first, okay, because values are given, that's why. X to the power m plus n times y to the power m minus n whole divided by x to the power m minus n times y to the power m plus n. Yes, value of x is given 5, and m is 2, n is 3, 2 plus 3. Value of y is given 2, m is given 2, y is given, n is given 3. Value of x is given 5, yes, 2 minus 3. Value of y is given 2, 2 plus 3. Okay, so have a look here. 5 to the power 5 into 2 to the power minus 1, 5 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 5. Have a look here. So we can use the law of indices, rule of law indices. Yes, so 5 to the power 5 minus 1 goes away above, yes, and 2 to the power minus 1, yes, minus 5. So 5 to the power 5 plus 1, 6, 2 to the power minus 1 minus 5, yes, 6. So 5 to the power 6 into, we can write here its reciprocal in the form of the reciprocal. So 5 to the power 6 by 2 to the power 6, so 5 by 2, yes, we can write here 5 by 2 whole to the power 6. So this is the required answer. We can write in this way also. Okay, let's come to the question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4. It is very 1 marks question. Question is here: what is the value of x if x does not equal to 0? We can write directly here. If x does not equal to 0, then x to the power 0, yes, in place of x to the power 0 we can write here x to the power 1 minus 1, yes, 1 minus 1, yes, it is 0. So x to the power 1 minus 1, by using the law of indices, yes, we can write here x to the power 1 divided by x to the power 1. Otherwise we can write here x to the power m minus n. So we can write here x to the power m divided by x to the power n, yes. So by cancelled, yes, it is 1. So the value of x is, yes, the value of x to the power 0 is 1 if x does not equal to 0. Okay, you can write in this way. Okay, hence the value of x to the power 0 is 1, yes, if x does not equal to 0. Okay, dear students, let's come to the question number 5. Question number 5. 20 laborers take 15 days to complete a walk. how many laborers must be added to complete the same work in 12 days? Question number 5 here. Yes, work is same. Yes, same work is given. That's why same work is given. That's why yes, we cannot. It is not necessary to take work. Yes, so we have to find the how many laborers. Yes, days is given here. Number of days is given here. Number of days and number of workers. Yes, or laborers. Number of laborers is also given here. So number of days, yes, that is in 15 days, yes, or work can be done by 20 laborers. In 15 days, our work is done by 20 laborers. Okay, in 12 days, yes, in 12 days, how many laborers must be added? Yes, in 20 laborers. We have already 20 laborers. So how many laborers must be added? Yes, to complete the same work in 12 days. So we can put here 20 plus x let. So the x laborers, let the x laborers, yes, should be added. Here, therefore, the relation between number of days and number of laborers, yes, relation between number of days and number of laborers, yes, is inverse relation. Okay, it is in inverse relation, so we have to take one of them is opposite. Yes, that is 15 by 12 equals to, we have to write here 20 plus x by 20. Okay, now doing the cross multiplication, 12 into 20 plus x equals to 15 into 20. So 20 plus x equals to, we can write it 15 into 20 divided by 12. 4 3s are 4 5s are 3 5s are, so 5 5s are 25. 5 into 5, that is 25. So x equals to 20 plus x equals to, we have got the 25. Okay, so value of x, that is 5. Okay, so at last we can write here hence 5 laborers must be added to complete the same work in 12 days. So dear students, in this way, yes, you can solve this type of question. Yes, it is very easy if you have the concept, right? If you have the concept. Okay, dear students, you have all you have done. All of you have solved the question, but this time I am not this much happy because your presentation is not this much perfect. Yes, although you have the knowledge, yes, but I am not this much happy this time. Okay, dear students, you have done in your own way, but you have to solve, yes, in systematic order. Yes, in effective way you have to solve, so that your solution must be perfect. Okay. Okay, I am going to write the one question from the question paper, that is going to simplify square root of 6y root 2 minus 24y square root of 12, okay, plus 2 times a square root of 48 minus 3 times a square root of 8. Most of the students did the mistake in this question. Okay, have a look here. If the radical sign is if the square root is same, if the radical sign and their order are same, if the radical sign and order are same, then we can keep them, yes, as taking its form, yes, inside the root minus 24 by, yes, here. Otherwise we have to apply the real rules of the sorts, yes. If there is denominator if there is sort in the denominator, then we have to rationalize the denominator to remove the sort. Okay, in this way 12 means, first of all, change this sort into the mixed sort, that is 12 means 2 times the square root of 3. Now rationalize it, only the 3, rationalize only the root 3, minus 3 into, yes, that is 8 means 4 to the 8, that is 2 comes out and 2 stay inside. Root 6 and root 2 can be multiplied, so it's called of 12. Root 3 into root 2, that is 2 minus, yes, 24 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 3 to the 6 is root of 2. Okay, now 12, that is 4 3s are 12, so 2 times the square root of 3 can be written here by 2 minus, that is 3 to the 6, 24 root 3 by 6 minus 6 times the square root of 2. Now 6 4s are 24. Now 2 to cancel, root 3 minus 4 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, so it is minus square root of root 3 minus 4 times of root 3, that is 3 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, otherwise we can take the minus 3 as common, so remains root 3 plus 2 times of root 2. Okay, so in this way we can solve, but one mistake is here is also the 2 times is root of 48, 2 times is root of 48, so 48 16 3s are 48, 16 3s are 48, so that is 4 root 3 minus 3 into 2 root 2. Okay, so have a look here, 4 2s are 8 plus 8 root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, plus 8 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, plus 8 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, now have a look here. 8 plus 3, 9, 8 root 3 plus root 3, that is 9. 9 root 3 minus 4 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. 9 minus 4, that is 5 times of root 3 minus 6 times of root 2. Okay, so in this way you can solve this type of questions related to the sorts. It is very easy to solve. Okay, dear students, today this much, and in the next video, yes, from tomorrow we are going to start the topic. We are going to touch the book. Yes, so today this much. Thank you.